जय श्री राम दोस्तों। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं एस बी आई पी ओ प्री का लाइव टेस्ट चल रहा है हॉलीवुड पे, जो कि फ्री है। हर सैटरडे संडे होता है, तो आप लोग भी दीजिएगा और बताइएगा कि आप लोग का भी कैसा मार्क्स आ रहा है। चलिए देते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं, देखते हैं कितना मार्क्स आता है। Please wait while we load your test. Yeah. स्टार्ट टेस्ट हो जा। क्या हो गया ब्रो? नेट स्लो। एक तो बंगाल में इतना पानी हो रहा है ना, क्या। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 1 2 3। What is the most appropriate synonym? Retry. Forfeit anonymous. Fetch. Which of the following is the most appropriate anatomy of plodification? Reduction. Select the appropriate plate in the blank X. However, it was the evidence of computers that truly transformed the landscape of typing technology. With the rise of personal computer in 1780, traditional typewriters were gradually replaced by computer keyboards. These keyboards initially module after typewriting layouts dash to accommodate these keyboard initially moduled after typewriter layout tragically dash slowly crafted to accommodate the unique needs of the digital interface. Which of the following can be inferred as the significant drawback of the earlier mechanical? Manual operation revision. However, their limitations were evident. They were bulky, heavy, and required significant force to operate. Despite this drawback, typewriter became essential to. They were bulky, heavy, and required significant force to operate. With prospective employers tell AE. The presence of plant has been shown across a number of studies to improve. If you can't get good fresh tomato, or you don't have a blender, minced garlic can use. With prospective employers tell the truth while highlighting how you have changed. what you focusing on building rapport with their fellow employee. ही लग रहा है. Livermore, Livermore learned to read and writing by age 3 and a half, and he read everything he could get his own hand. AD, ADCF, AD and CF. One's knack of combining complex ideas, understanding what they mean, and relating them also middle age and can stay high well into odd ages. Regret is a distinguished feature of humans since it evolved on aptitude. AD. When children experience more dash fear and anxiety that interfere with going to the school covering a prolonged period of time, or that interfere with how they function at school. When children experience more intense fear or that interfere with how they function at the school, and or how they dash with other and how they interact with other, this it was psychology called separation anxiety disorder. Separation anxiety disorder is a most common anxiety disorder in children under 12 years of age. After long period of social isolation with family members, it may be hard for some children and parents to be dashed from to be it may be hard for some student and parent to be dashed from them once to be separated from them once the school bell rang. Particularly after our pandemic years, some children and parents may still feel some anxiety about going into unfamiliar places. They may also have concern about pandemic safety, which make going back to school stressful. In a normal year, approximately 1 in 10 children experience dash anxiety level elevated anxiety level. In the past year and a half, most children spend more time at home than usual, notably when schools were closed. Even when children were allowed to spend time with friends, there were often restrictions in place, such as being outdoor or keeping masks and staying socially distant. For some children, this restriction can increase stress that's with instruction outside of their family. For some children, this restriction can increase stress associated with instruction outside. Since to a great speed, the cabin speed would be limited to 50 centimeters per second. B के बाद C. The text is the text is unique. A single author who The text is unique as it represents the work of ए के बाद डी, ए के बाद डी, ए के बाद ए के बाद डी. As his father worked on the section, Manton is need to carry out research on the section. Manton is need to carry out research on the bomber side of the railway. Manhattan is need to carry out research on the bomber side of the railway as his father. ठीक है. The professor sighed deeply to understand a complex theorem. The Kamlesh sighed deeply at a student. E के बाद B, E B, E B, E B, E B. The professor sighed deeply at the student who was struggling to understand. ठीक है. Calculation. He calculation the estimate for the tender. He calculation the estimate for the tender. John's mind calculation is often correct. The problem has many calculations to derive the answer. Bowl. The fruit are kept in the bowl. He often bowls wide ball. He often bowls BOWLS balls wide balls. He has a regular ball movement. The restaurant gained popularity on account as its bland and distasteful menu. Select an option you can replace phrase to make the sentence and correctly leave the sentence. The restaurant gained popularity due to a unique and favorable menu. Favorable. The new policy was implemented within consulting any relevant stakeholder. The new policy was implemented after seeking feedback from the research team conducted the experiment on a hostile environment. The research team conducted the experiment after following the established protocol. They do not tempted about the upcoming college fest which is to be held in December. They does not so much interest. They did not care for the upcoming college fest. They are not excited There appears to be a large crowd forming outside our office building. Our office building. Ours. Sam felt nauseous after he ate the sixth chocolates. The evolution of typing technology from the chunky cumbersome mechanical typewriter of the past to the efficient computer keyboard of today with word processing software has revolutionized communication and productivity in countless ways. This journey through technology advancement has not only changed the tool we use but also has fundamentally transformed the way we interact with information. In the late 19th century, the invention of the mechanical typewriter marked a significant milestone in the history of typing technology. These early typewriters, with their row of keys and manual operation, offered a revolutionary means of producing written documents. However, their limitations were evident. They were bulky, heavy, and required significant force to operate. Despite this drawback, typewriter became essential tool in office around the world, streamlining the process of document creation and dissemination. The mid-20th century witnessed the emergence of electronic typewriter, which introduced features such as automatic carriage return and correction tape. This innovation increased typing speed and accuracy, further enhancing productivity in workspace. Productive. However, it was the advent of computer that truly transformed the landscape of typing technology. With the rise of personal computer in 1617, traditional typewriters were gradually replaced by computer keyboard. This keyboard initially after typewriter mod, module after typewriter layout dash to accommodate the unique needs of digital interface. The introduction of ergonomic design and customized layout further improved typing comfort and efficiency, reducing the risks of repetitive strain injuries and increasing their satisfaction. The integration of word processing software with computer keyboard revolutionized the way documents were created, edited, and shared. The features such as spelling check, autocorrect, and formatting tools simplified the writing process, allowing users to produce polished documents with ease. Moreover, the ability to store and retrieve documents electronically eliminated the need for physical storage space and enabled seamless collaboration across distance. As technology continued to advance, so did the capability of computer keyboard. The proliferation of wireless and Bluetooth keyboard made keyboard more versatile and portable, allowing users to type various devices with ease. Furthermore, the rise of touchscreen keyboard and smartphone tablet introduced new method of input permission, which of the following advancements contributed evolution. Which key feature introduced in 20th century? Which of the following does not depict how which of the following does not depict how making keyboard more comfortable and customized help people? ये D6 What technology advancement made keyboard more versatile? Reduction in integration of enhancement of क्या हुआ नेट स्लो हो गया क्या नेक्स्ट सेक्शन या चलो अब स्टार्ट करते हैं अच्छा जाना ब्रो मैथ पहले ही रॉन्ग ओ नहीं मिसिंग ठीक है इंटू इंटू 2 -3 नहीं 24 प्लस का 24 प्लस का 26 प्लस का 23 3 28 प्लस का 30 प्लस का 32 135 7 6 167 कितना है 82 92 128 36 170 कितना है ये 42 200 218 48 तो 30 तो 30 करेंगे तो 30 नहीं 62 118 में से 62 जाएगा तो 6 5 56 56 में 62 जोड़ेंगे तो 118 ठीक है प्लस का 6 प्लस का 12 प्लस का 6 प्लस का 12 प्लस का 6 174 प्लस का 18 प्लस का 36 प्लस का 36 हाँ प्लस का 198 126 2772 2 1 2 1 72 270 दो 2 1 2 1 270 नहीं है 54 36 In a team, the average age of X member is itna. When the 5 members are shifted to another team, the average increase by itna. The average of X member is itna 24x. When 5 members are shifted to another team, the average increase by 5 204. If 120 in 4 liter of water is mixed, then the ratio of 4 liter of water is milk, then 208 208 को 13 1 6 80 96 112. ठीक है, तो इससे पहले अगर तो 108 तो कितना हो जाएगा, 6 बार में काटेंगे तो 1 नहीं 12 बार में काटेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 8 9. फाइंड द वैल्यू 8 9. The number of students who like chemistry is more than biology. A boat goes 900 km downstream and on a return only इतना % of distance. ये क्या है, माइनस माइनस, ये है प्लस माइनस प्लस 13 9 7 तो 9, ठीक है, और ये तरह है माइनस प्लस तो 9 5. y greater than is equal to x. The ratio of marks obtained by Raman in English and Hindi is 8:9, and the ratio of marks obtained by Raman in math to biology is 15:14. The marks obtained by Raman in English is 10 more than marks obtained in biology. If the total marks scored by Raman is 315, plus minus plus plus 63 7 into 9 into 3 21 9, और ये कितना है 4 2. तो कौन सा बड़ा है, y बड़ा है, x बड़ा है, y बड़ा है. नो रिलेशनशिप. x is equal to plus minus 8/3 8/3 plus plus 18 18 18 18 वाई बड़ा है फिर से। The reversing of the digit of two-digit number. The difference between original and new number is 18. What is the difference between 36, 63, 30, 24, 42? What is the difference between the digit? What is the average number of people who use solar geyser? What is the average number of people who use solar geyser? सोलर गीज़र 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8. ठीक है, 500 का गैप पे चल रहा है। What is the average number of people who use solar geyser? 7,500. And electric geyser 5,000. 005 12 6,250. If the number of people who use electric geyser in city A and B together is 60% more than number of people who use Z. इलेक्ट्रिक गीज़र इन सिटी Z. इलेक्ट्रिक गीज़र इन सिटी Z कितना? 2,000. 60% मोर 3,200. And the ratio of people use a electric geyser in A to B is by 500. मतलब 160 से बाई 5 तो 64 0 640 से इंटू करेंगे। फाइनली नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक गीजर इन सिटी है 1200. फाइंड द सम ऑफ पीपल यूज सोलर गीजर इन सिटी वाई एंड जेड. सोलर इन सिटी वाई एंड जेड. 1,000 2,500. Find the sum of people who use solar geyser in who use solar and gas or solar 2,350 and gas Y में है 1,500 और Z में है 7,000. 5 12,000. What is the difference between number of people use electric geyser in Y and X? Y and X का इलेक्ट्रिक गीजर W एंड X का इलेक्ट्रिक गीजर में 5 1,000. What is the ratio of 20% people who use electric geyser in 60 Y? 20% people electric geyser 9,000 1,800 to the number of people solar geyser in city Z 1,000 9 5. Number of people who use solar geyser in city W 500 and Y together 2,500. 3,000 is what percent of the number of your gas geyser in city? 8000 by 8. Para 37.5. 6 5 by 3 और ये तेरा हो जाएगा 9 11 by 3 16 by 3 इंटू 27 9 144 प्लस 6 150 बाई 6 बाई 25 6 30 प्लस 30 इधर आके माइनस हो जाएगा तो 9 68 110%. 546 4 कम 2104 502 6062 25 से 4 कम 21 और 4 का 16 तो ये हो जाएगा तेरा 8 ये हो जाएगा 1. ठीक है. अब 11 से काट तो 2 11 से काटेंगे तो 2 तो 4 अरे यार 21 16 502 8 1 6 और ये 2 बाई 11 से काटेंगे 2 41 तो 3 8 बाई 17 12 17 17 34 और 14 13 इंटू 7 65 ए 90 100 और 91 और 1 0 970 और 16 इंटू 8 48 का 8 4 हाथ में 1 1280 0 90 1 2190 25 का स्क्वायर 625 40 का स्क्वायर 1600 975 और ये तेरा 196 1 16 17 का 7 1 हाथ में 10 11 71 माइनस का इन अ कॉलेज अरे यार average number of students who like physics and chemistry and biology. Number of students who like physics: A, B, C, D, E. Difference between number of students who like chemistry and biology. सोलह सौ 2400 2640 बाई 800 1840 1840 1500 1480 1680 120 1680 100 1700 1800 16 नहीं 1440 और 120 0 6 5 1 1560 Total number who like chemistry in school A and D together. आठ सौ बीस एंड डी में कितना है 180 1760 1860 930 05 17 इस बार कुछ मोर द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट बायोलॉजी इन बी एंड डी 1500 750 और बी में 40 900 1650 बाई 100 एक ही बना यार उसमें वो डीआई थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही ये था टाइम टेकिंग था साला उसमें और थोड़ा बन सकता था और ये एक दो क्वेश्चन बन सकता था उसका कोई बात नहीं था। चलिए देखते हैं रीजनिंग कैसा जाता है इसका। पेज नहीं खुल रहा था ये वाला मेरा, अब खुला। 8% metal sitting on the circular table, 4% sitting at the corner facing inside, while 4% sitting in the middle. B greater than M. B हो नहीं सकता। M greater than T greater than N. T G B B T greater than N. T G B T G B वही neither no. Z greater than Q. Z greater than Q right है। Y greater than is equal to F both. P greater than is equal to Z. P Q नहीं, X greater than Q. X ठीक है only two. 1 2 3 4 5. A wardrobe has 6 shelves, one above the other, from 1 to 6 from top to bottom. Shelves are colored as dash dash dash. 6 boxes dash 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 room. One box one box is kept on each shelf. The shelf and box with the same color are not adjacent to each other. A red box is kept on an even number stack. 1 2 3 4 5 6. SELV self. COLO your color. SELV self. Green box is kept below yellow self. GREEN green box kept below yellow SELF self. Either one or three boxes are kept between green and yellow boxes. Green and red box is kept on an even number stack. भाई ये नहीं बनेगा मेरे से, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही कंफ्यूजिंग है। ये डायरेक्शन बना लेते हैं। D is 10 meter north of G. D is 10 meter north of G. H is DG. A is the midpoint of D and G. A is the midpoint of D and G. H is 14 meter west. Point E is 10 meter west of. Point E is 10 meter east of A. H is 2 meter south of E. H is 2 meter south of E. H is 2 meter south of E. H is 14 meter west of P. H is 14 meter west of P. H is 14 meter west of B. I C is 19 meter west of F. Point B is 8 meter north of F. Point B is 8 meter. Point B is 8 meter north of. Point B is 8 meter north of F. C is Point C is 19 meter west of F. Point C is 19 meter west of F, or I is 6 meter north of C. I is 6 meter north of. What is the total distance between D and B? 5, 10, 15, 2, 17, 17, 14, 31. Which of the following statement is true? B is southwest of C. B is southwest. A is northwest of F. A is northwest of F. Point G is to the dash of point B. Point G is to the dash of point southwest. 11 branches of a bookstore were established in 7 consecutive years from 3, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. S was established in an immediate year before Y. S was established in an immediate year before. S was established in an immediate year before Y. A is established after E. A is established after. A is established after E, but before R. Three branches were established between R and L, such that R was established before L. Three branches were established between R and L, such that R was established before L. O was established in a year immediately before L. O was established in a year immediately before L. B was established in an even year. VEVEN. B was established in an even year after A, such that there were 2 years between their establishment. 4 branches between their establishment. 4 branches were established between N and D. N and D. R and N were established in consecutive year. R and N were established in consecutive year. एक दो R, एक दो तीन चार. R, T and were not established in consecutive. L एक दो तीन चार. Three branches were established between R and L. एक दो तीन R O N. एक दो तीन चार D N D. नहीं, ये गलत हो गया. L एक दो तीन R N एक दो तीन चार. एक दो तीन चार D V एक दो. ये भी गलत हो गया. L एक दो तीन N और एक दो तीन R N एक दो तीन चार N एक दो तीन चार D N एक दो तीन चार D. जस्ट ऊपर O. जस्ट ऊपर O. ठीक है. V A S Y E T. Which branch was established before T but not immediately? Before T O L छोड़ के 1, 2 and 3. V was established in between the year dash and dash. 16, 18. V 7, 10. 9, 12. In which year the event were held immediately before O held? On which year the event was held immediately before O held? In which year was the event held that was held immediately before 2010? If D and B interchange if B and G interchange, the year of establishment between each other, D and B, N would establish immediate year before D. O would establish immediate year before B. 9% are different but not in the same order. The rank are in decreasing order. IAS, IRS, ILS, ITS, IFS, IRO, IPS, IDS, ICS. ILS के बाद क्या है? ITS. Four rank were between R and V. V who is senior to R. R and B. V who is senior to R. R rank is neither I, RO and nor IPS. R 1 2 3 4. V 1 2 3 4. 3% rank between P and V. 1 2 3 P. Not more than 3% are junior to X. Not more than 3% are junior to X. X who is senior to Q. Q, X, Q, X. Not more than 3% are junior to X. X who is senior to Q. W is junior to V. W is junior to V. W is junior to B but senior to S. W is junior to V but senior to S. Neither U nor X is rank IRS. Neither U nor X. Who among the following person is our senior to X but junior to T? Senior to X but junior to T. W, V, W, S. V, W, S. Only two. Who among the following is rank IPS? IPS. IPS P. The person who is immediate senior to R. The person who is immediate both B and C. If T is related to LSS and S is related to IRO, in the same way who is related to ICS? ICS R. W is rank as ITS. Which among the following statement is true? Q is ranked second junior among all. 2% are ranked between B and X. What is the code for mark? You mark my word will. Mark. You mark will. Mark. You मार्क फ्रॉट ट्रॉट फ्रॉट चल रॉट तो गया बॉट 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 मार्क बॉट यू मार्क यू मार्क यू मार्क pot what is the statement for pot bot pot pot bill pot or bot what could be the अरे यार तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं मेरा आया है 53.75 और इंग्लिश में ज़्यादा गलत हो गया मेरा 8 गलत हो गया रीजनिंग सारा राइट है और क्वांट्स में एक गलत हो गया पता नहीं क्या गलत हो गया जो कि होना नहीं चाहिए था क्वांट्स में तो स्पेशली और रीजनिंग में इंग्लिश में 8 गलत हो गया पता नहीं रीजनिंग तो बहुत गंदा था भाई मेरे से बना ही नहीं तो चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में मेरा है 53.75 आप लोग भी दीजिए ये वाला मॉक और बताइए आप लोगों का कैसा आया इस मॉक में मार्क्स चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में बाय तब तक के लिए